myself Dr. Sagar Pashp, ADMO, Indian Railways. So today I came with a video. In this video we're going to discuss about the which cadres to choose. So from tomorrow onwards the detailed application form will be online, and you have to fill that form. So before filling that form, I thought I'll record a video for you. It will be helpful for you to choosing the cadre. So hope this video gonna help all of you. So before I start the video, let me welcome you all on my channel Doctor's Desk. So kindly share, subscribe and follow my channel. All the links are given in the description. So which cadres to choose in UPSC Combined Medical Services. So in this video we'll discuss everything about this topic. So before I'll start this video, let me clear some doubts. I've got so many messages regarding this. From tomorrow onwards the detailed application form will be online on the upsc.government.in. So many people are confused about the registration. So let me tell you the steps. Firstly, you'll go to the DAF link. You have to click there and you have to open that link, and you have to do the registration part there. And after doing the registration, you will get an password on your registered email ID. You have to go to there, go to your own email ID and check for the password. And after taking that password, you again have to log in to the detailed application form link, and from there onwards you have to fill your detailed application form. So many messages I got regarding people are confused. They have to do the registration and they are not getting a link. So from tomorrow onwards you will get the link. So let's start this video. Cadres of UPSC CMS. There are the 4 cadres: Central Health Services, Ordinance Factories, Railways and Municipal Corporation Delhi and New Delhi Municipal Corporation. So from 2022 onwards the Ordinance Factories will be merged to the CGHS, Central Health Services, and then after 2022 the only left with the 4 cadres like MCD, NDMC, Railways and CHS. So how to choose cadres? So I have written 8 points, you can see on the screen. These are the place of posting, type of posting you want, training and in each respective cadres, duty hours, type of work, place of work, extra works and extra benefits you'll get while joining the respective cadres. So firstly we'll talk about the place of posting. This is the most important part. Everyone are asking the same questions, so I thought I'll discuss this in detail. Like some of you want a job at a fixed place, so better you choose the Municipal Corporation of Delhi or New Delhi Municipal Corporation. So and some of you are really want to work in Delhi, then you can choose both the cadres. According to me, New Delhi Municipal Corporation is better than Municipal Corporation of Delhi. If you have to choose the next railway or the CHS, because both of them are transferable jobs, you can get transfer from one place to another all over India. So it depends on you how you wanna choose your place. Next point is the type of posting. So type of posting, like I want to discuss this point here, that in some cadre there will be less administrative work, and in some cadre there will be little more administrative work as compared to the other cadres. If you'll see the NDMC and the Municipal Corporation of Delhi part, there will be more clinical work because they have their dispensary and their multi-specialty hospitals. And if you'll see the CHS part, there will be dispensary and very less multi-specialty hospitals in Central Health Services. So you mainly have to work in that dispensaries. And the railways, there are 4 types of hospitals like health unit, subdivisional hospital, divisional hospitals, and finally central hospitals. So except health unit, all are multi-specialty hospitals, and in some subdivisional hospitals they are not multi-specialty, but from both divisional and the central hospital, both are multi-specialty hospitals. So you can choose according to this. And in railways, as compared to other cadres, there will be little more administrative works because there are a lot more work you have to do after doing your OPD, IPD and emergency works. But duty hours will be same in each cadre. There will be not much difference. Only difference is that if you are working in a health unit or some dispensary, then you have to do only OPD works. But in railways, you have to do the OPD works plus other administrative works like sanitation, health and family welfare work, and other things related to your area allotted to you. In the same CHS part, like if you are working in a dispensary, you have to do the administrative work related to that dispensary, and you have to see the OPD patients. And in some dispensary in India, like 3 or 4 are there, we have to do some emergency work also. And in Municipal Corporation of Delhi and New Delhi Municipal Corporation, there are mainly dispensaries, and 3 or 4 specialty hospitals are there, and some more hospitals are there related to different like specialty for pediatrics, gynecology, and TB and chest related thing are there. So if you are getting these hospitals, it will be good for you. Third point is like in training part, there will be more training in the railways. Like you have to do training for 4 months. They will call you at National Academy of Indian Railways, Vadodara, and it is very nice campus. And you have to do the 4-month training there, like foundation course, field training, and then induction course, and you will go up Bharat Darshan. In CHS also there will be foundation course. Duty hours will be same all over all 4 cadres according to their hospital which you got. Type of work I've already explained. Place of work I'm already explained to you. And extra works you have to do, like administrative works. Extra benefits, I'm telling you, more benefits as compared to other cadres in railway only. You will get more benefits, which I had already explained in my other videos. So all the 8 points are there. You have to choose which cadre you want to work. And for you only, I had collected so many informations regarding each cadre, and I had already uploaded on my channel. I am sharing the link in the description. You can go to that link and you can watch all the 4 cadres detail before choosing your cadre. So these are the 8 points you have to keep in mind while seeing all the videos. And after that also, if you are having any problem, you can put your doubt in comment section, or you can directly message me on Insta, FB, and Telegram also. So hope my videos will help you while choosing your cadres and filling your detailed application form. So from tomorrow onwards, the detailed application form will be online. So I've already uploaded video regarding how to fill detailed application form. You can watch that video also. Many people are want some more videos on interview, so I am preparing the videos, and soon I'm uploading the videos regarding interview. Hope that videos will also gonna help you a lot. So hope this will clear your doubts regarding how to choose cadre. So thanks a lot to giving me so much support, and I'm really happy that I'm getting so much support and so much love from all of you. And really, this thing only I'm getting confident for making some more videos for you, and some more surprises is coming for all of you, that I'm making some more different videos which will help you in choosing your colleges for post graduation. I'm working on that, and all the best for your interview, and all the best for your life also, and happy new year to all of you. So thank you, and thanks a lot.